We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about how to draw a circle in SketchUp. Circle is a draw tool in SketchUp. You can access this tool under Drawing Toolbar. If Drawing Toolbar is not showing in your window, please turn on this option in Toolbar menu under View tab. Click on Circle tool or type Command C. Click to place the center point and define the radius. You can change the number of sides of circle by pressing Ctrl plus or Ctrl minus. So, using this tool, you can draw any polygon shape, triangle, rectangle, pentagon, etc. Increase the number of sides, resulting a perfect circle. Before doing this, using left arrow locks the cursor to draw in surface perpendicular to green axis. And right arrow locks the cursor to draw in surface perpendicular to red axis. And up arrow locks the cursor to draw in surface perpendicular to blue axis. While drawing, if you hold Shift key, it helps to lock the interference. But when you select down arrow, it will lock the cursor to drawing parallel to the same surface what you have drawn lastly. Thanks for watching this video.